What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. I am Trey, and today we're going to be making smoked drumsticks. Yes, sir. Let's get it. All right, y'all. Welcome back. I'm about to show y'all how I do my smoked drumsticks. We're going to start off with the drumsticks. Got about 5 pounds right here. Normally I don't have all this spread out like this. I just dump and go and just mix it, but to show you guys, I spread it out. So we're gonna start off with, I got a little smoked paprika, salt, garlic powder, pepper, onion powder, Cajun seasoning, thyme. Now the Cajun seasoning is up to you. Today I'm using Louisiana's Cajun seasoning. You can use Tony Chachere's, Slap Your Mama, whatever you can find at your grocery store, but that's what I'm using today. And I got a little bit of W sauce. So we're just gonna mix all this together. Pretty much an all-purpose seasoning. So normally I don't do it like this, but I gotta show you guys. And we're gonna save the W sauce for last. So gonna take this like this. All right, you're gonna mix all this up. And then we're just gonna dump it in like so. We're gonna mix this up. Make sure you get it all nice and coated. There we go. There we go. Just mix it all up. Just mix it up. Make sure you get all of it coated. Once I get it coated, take a little bit of that W sauce, Worcestershire, water cycle, whatever you want to call it. I just gonna call it W sauce. Just to enhance the flavor just a little bit more. You don't need a whole lot, but just enough. All right, that's good. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna let this hang out for about 10 minutes, let them seasonings soak into the meat a little bit. Let's go check up on the grill. All right, so today I'm using my Even Embers pellet smoker, and I'm gonna be using pitboss's competition blend pellets. I mean, pretty much it's got everything you need in there for anything, chicken, pork, beef, whatever you wanna use. I normally just take it, pour it in a bucket, and that way I can scoop it out. Dump. So you want to preheat your pellet smoker 300 degrees. So right now I'm at 272. So give it about 5 more minutes. Let it reach up to 300. We're gonna place the drumsticks on the smoker. Be right back. All right, our temperature is up. It's at 305. That's pretty good right there. It'll probably stay around 305, 300. All you want to do, open it up, place your drumsticks right inside. Pellet smoker, greatest thing ever invented. You ain't gotta keep coming out here checking on the temperature. You set it and go. It's probably gonna take about an hour 15, hour and a half. I'm trying to get 165, 170 internal temperature on these drumsticks. So we're gonna leave them right here, close the top. Probably come back in about 45 minutes to check on them. All right.
A few minutes later.
All right, it's been 45 minutes. We're gonna open her up, see what we got going on. Oh yeah, got some nice color on there. We're gonna go ahead and rotate these. Oh yeah, you see it. Go ahead and flip them one time. Come back out here in about 15 minutes. Start checking the temperature. We're looking at 165. And that's what they should look like after about 45 minutes. All right, I'll catch you back. All right, you guys, it's been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and check these temps, see what we're looking like. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, got some nice color on that. Let's go ahead and check one of these. Looking for 165. I take it off hold. There we go. Got 170 on that one, so we good to go. Good to go. Oh yeah, we ready. 165 on here. Oh yeah, we ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. We're gonna plate them up. See you in a minute. All right, y'all, this is what it looks like when it comes off the smoker. Perfectly cooked. At this point, you can do whatever you want. You can eat them like this, or you can sauce them up. I got a couple examples. To my left, I got some barbecue sauce. In the middle, buffalo sauce. To the right, got a little Asian sweet chili sauce. Well, like I said, you can just eat it like this. This is what it looks like. I cut it open for you so you can see what it looks like inside. Got a little smoke ring action. And there we go, Mastablendz style. Smoked drumsticks. Let me know how it come out. Y'all leave a comment. Holla at you.